Sprouting How-To, a complete guide. Fresh sprouts are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. They add flavor, texture, and a healthy boost to any meal or snack. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, growing sprouts at home is incredibly easy. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about sprouting seeds. Storing seeds for sprouting. First, let's talk about proper storage. Keep your sprouting seeds in a clean, dry place, away from sunlight, at a temperature below 70 degrees Fahrenheit. When stored correctly, most sprouting seeds will maintain good germination for 3 or more years. Soaking and sterilizing seeds. First, it's crucial to sterilize your seeds. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration recommends this step to reduce the risk of harmful bacteria. To sanitize, soak your seeds in undiluted apple cider vinegar or distilled white vinegar for 15 minutes. Use 2 tablespoons of vinegar per heaping tablespoon of seeds. After 15 minutes, rinse thoroughly with clean, filtered water until the vinegar smell is gone. Next, soak the rinsed seeds in water using a 3:1 water to seed ratio. Allow to soak for 6 to 8 hours. This step activates the seeds and starts the germination process. How to choose your sprouting method. You have 3 great ways to grow sprouts indoors at home. 1. Sprouting jars. 2. Sprouting trays. 3. Sprouting sacks. Sprouting jars are the most common choice. They're simple, space-saving, and easy to rinse. Use a breathable sprouting lid or secure cheesecloth with a rubber band. After rinsing, always keep the jar tilted at an angle to allow excess water to drain completely. This helps prevent musty smells or mold. Sprouting trays offer more surface area and airflow, which is great for larger batches. Spread the seeds in a thin, even layer and rinse gently to avoid pooling water. Trays are ideal for those who want to harvest a lot at once. Sprouting sacks, made from hemp or cotton, are hung in a well-ventilated space. After rinsing, the fabric naturally drains moisture while keeping the seeds humid enough to grow. They're a flexible option if you're short on counter space. Rinsing and growing sprouts. No matter which method you choose, the key is consistency. Rinse your seeds with clean water 2 to 3 times daily. Drain thoroughly after each rinse to prevent excess moisture from building up. Within a few days, you'll see healthy sprouts beginning to form. When to harvest. Most sprouts are ready to harvest once they're about 3 centimeters long. Here are the average sprouting times by seed type. 3 bean mix sprouts, 3 days. Clover and radish sprouts, 5 days. Broccoli and alfalfa sprouts, 5 days. Sunflower and mung bean sprouts, 6 days. Tips for dehulling, drying, and storing sprouts. Once your sprouts are ready, you can dehull them by placing them in a bowl of water. The hulls will rise to the top. Just skim or pour them off. While hulls are safe to eat, removing them can improve taste and texture. After dehulling, it's important to dry your sprouts completely before storing. Use a clean towel or salad spinner to remove excess moisture. Store dry sprouts in the refrigerator in a sealed container lined with paper towels. This helps keep them fresh and crisp for several days. Ready to grow your own nutritious sprouts at home? It's easier and more rewarding than you might think. Visit naturegems.com to explore high-quality sprouting seeds and start your sprouting journey today.